Hello students. Today we are going to see about heartbeat. First of all, we have to know what is heartbeat. Heartbeat is nothing but one complete contraction and relaxation of the atrium and ventricles of the heart constitute heartbeat. Okay, contraction is also known as systole and relaxation is also known as diastole. One complete systole and diastole of the atrium and ventricles of the heart constitute a heartbeat. The heart normally beats 72 to 75 times per minute. If you're taking a normal human being, for 1 minute he used to beat for 72 to 75 times. Do you know students? Heartbeat are also of two types. Okay, one we called it as neurogenic heartbeat and other one is called as myogenic heartbeat. First one, if you are taking that neurogenic heartbeat, in animals with open circulatory system, the heartbeat is initiated by the nerve impulses caused from a nerve ganglion and that is situated near the structure of heart. Example for these are invertebrates, that is also especially Annelida and most arthropods are having this type of neurogenic heartbeat. Second one is myogenic heartbeat. This myogenic heartbeat is initiated by the specialized group of heart muscles, that is cardiac muscles and also that muscle fibers present in some of the invertebrates and all the vertebrates. Okay, so some of the invertebrates, example mollusca and all the vertebrates, they used to initiate heartbeat by the myogenic heart muscles. Okay, next we will see the initiation and conduction of the heartbeat. Before going to see that initiation and conduction, you must know about cardiac conduction system. Okay, cardiac conduction system is a group of specialized muscle cells in the walls of heart that can send signals to the heart muscles causing it to contract. Okay, this is the cardiac conduction system. And let us see what are all the components involved in this process. Okay, so the components involved in this process are SA node. This is SA node. SA node is nothing but sinoatrial node. And then AV node. AV node is nothing but atrioventricular node. And then branches from SA node, that is anterior internodal tract, middle internodal tract, posterior internodal tract, and another internode enter into the left atrium. And AV node, atrioventricular node, and this is bundle of His. This bundle of His was discovered by a scientist named His in the year 1893. After his discovery only, this branch does bundle of His, and then a bundle of branches. These two are the bundle of branches, right bundle branch and left bundle branch. From the right and left bundle branch, so many fine network Purkinje fibers are arises. Okay, so SA node, AV node, bundle of His, bundle of branches, and these are all the Purkinje fibers or the components of cardiac conduction system. Okay, now we will see the initiation and conduction. Okay, so this SA node first receives stimulation from the specialized heart muscle, and now the SA node act as a pacemaker of the heart because it initiates the impulse and that initiation of impulse can stimulate the heart muscle. Because of the stimulation, both the muscles present in the right atrium and left atrium used to contract. Okay, so by the contraction of these right and left atria, the blood present in the atrium reaches the ventricle through the atrioventricular valve. The impulses from the SA node spreads right and left atria, so the atrium contracts. Okay. Blood present in these two atrium reaches the ventricles through tricuspid and bicuspid valve. This is the tricuspid opening and this is bicuspid opening. Okay, so through this tri and bicuspid valve, the blood enter from the atria to the ventricles. Then the impulses reaches AV node. From the SA node, it reaches the AV node, bundle of His, and then bundle of branches, and then to the Purkinje fiber. Now the wall of the ventricles contracts. Okay, now the blood present in the ventricle flows into aorta and then into pulmonary artery. Okay, during the contraction of the ventricular muscle, the blood, impure blood and pure blood present in the ventricles reaches into aorta, and then from the right ventricle the impure blood reaches into pulmonary artery. While the atria contracts, ventricle gets relaxed to receive the blood, and while the ventricles contract, atria gets relaxed to receive the impure and pure blood. At the same time, blood from the ventricle enter into pulmonary trunk and also into the aorta. And this complete relaxation and contraction of atria and ventricle constitute one heartbeat. And next side heading, pulse. When the heart beats, the blood is forced in the arteries, so the arteries gets expand. While the blood enter into the arteries, it gets expand. The expansion of artery is called pulse. Normal pulse rate means 70 to 90 per minute. Okay. So if you are taking the normal human being means his pulse rate will be within the range of 70 to 90 per minute. And next one is cardiac cycle. One complete events from the beginning to end of one heartbeat is called cardiac cycle. If you are taking the duration of cardiac cycle is 0.8 second. In this cardiac cycle, three events takes place. The first one is systole. The atrial systole occurs in the duration of 0.1 second, and then second event is ventricular systole. This occurs in a duration of 0.3 second, and third one is ventricular diastole. This occurs in the duration of 0.4 seconds. So totally cardiac cycle occurs in a duration of 0.8 second. And then next one is heart sound. Heart sound. Heart sound is nothing but rhythmic closure and opening of the valves causes the heart sound. Rhythmic closure and opening of the valve causes the heart sound. That means வால்வுகள் வந்து மூடி திறப்பது தான் வந்து எதை உருவாக்கும், இதய ஒலியை உருவாக்கும்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. So there are two heart sounds. The first one we called it as lump sound. and second one is dup. Okay, so now we will see the first sound, first hard sound, that is also known as S1 sound. This we called it as lup. So this is the lup sound. It occurs in long duration, and this used to produced by the closure of tricuspid and also bicuspid valve. Okay, this lup sound produced due to the closure of tricuspid and bicuspid valve. And then second hard sound is dup. Dup sound occurs in short duration, and this is the closure of semilunar valves. Okay, this is produced due to the closure of semilunar valves. There are two semilunar valves are present. One is pulmonary valve present inside the pulmonary artery, and other one is aortic valve. This aortic valve present inside the aorta. Okay, so these are all the two sounds causes the heart sound. One is lup sound and other one is dup sound. Okay, students, I hope that all will understand. Thank you, students.